Dogs do sweat, so. Is that a noise they make?
Yeah, what animal are you?
Maybe an elephant.
Ah!
That is not the sound they make.
Let's hear an
I don't think.
elephant.
I don't know how.
Ah!
I don't think that's the sound they make. More like, "Grrr." That's like a car.
That sounded so good.
You know,
your
those
voice got
older,
deep.
Those older cars. Those older cars with those little like.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That was.
All right, one final note. Everyone that's on social media, you said are sinners, basically, right?
Huh?
Everyone's a sinner on social media.
What?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, mostly everybody, honestly, I don't know.
Okay, no, not
I would
everybody,
like to
saying
think
mostly.
they're all Christians, but I know most people are sinners and stuff like that, so.
What do you think about like Cole and Savannah? Do you know them?
No
Christian
clue.
bloggers?